He thought it was a cold, until he started coughing blood. A young boy came to the hospital pale and trembling. Each cough sent a spray of red onto his hands. His chest burned, and the sound of his breath rattled like something breaking inside him. Doctors searched for the cause: an infection, a wound, or something worse. The diagnosis: tuberculosis, a deadly infection that eats away at the lungs, tearing tiny blood vessels until they fill with blood. He wasn't just losing air, he was drowning from within. Subscribe for more.